Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below so you can be notified and in the loop when your girl posts a new video. Today I will be showing you all my lustrous, voluminous curl routine using a curling wand. I just wanted to come on and just let you guys know that I have already prepped my hair. I have washed it, I have conditioned it, I have deep conditioned it, and I have also followed up with my rice water rinse. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my rice water hair growth challenge. I'm starting a 30-day challenge on using rice water to grow my hair. So I've already prepped my hair doing all that, and I have also blown it out with a hair dryer. When I wand curl my hair, I prefer to either have my hair blown out or straightened, just because I like the results I get better. So I've blown my hair out, and to get started, I'm just going to section my hair into 4 sections, which you all will see in this video, but I'm just going to explain first. I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to spray each smaller section with my Garnier Fructis flat ironing spray, just for an extra heat protectant. I did put a heat protectant on my hair when I blow dried it, but just for extra coverage, I'm going to go in with that Garnier Fructis. And then I'm going to wand curl it, and after I finish, I'm going to spray it with some spritz, pump it up, you know, just to give it that extra hold. Okay, so I lied. I'm actually not going to split my hair into 4 sections. So anytime I straighten or wand curl my hair, I just kind of make smaller sections starting from the back and working my way up. So that's what I'm going to do. And I also decided I want a deep side part just to really give me like that temptress effect, you know. So I am going to do a deep side part. But yeah, so just wanted to give that disclaimer. Let's get it back rolling. So let's just get into the video. Like I said, if you haven't already, please subscribe to your girl down below and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get it started. Alright love, so I'm starting with my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to make a small part in the back of my head. Like I said, I do like to make small sections and just work from the back up. And then I'm just going to comb through and detangle that section and spray it with my Garnier Fructis heat protectant. And then I'm just going to take my wand, and I'm going to put it as close to the root as possible and just wrap my hair around the wand. And I'm going to hold it for about 10 seconds and then just let the curl fall. And I'm just going to repeat those steps throughout my entire head. I'm not going to do anything different. After every few sections that I do go in with my Pump It Up spray and just spray my hair lightly, just to give my hair that hold so that my curls last for a few days. So just a little disclaimer, when I'm wrapping my hair around the wand, I'm wrapping my hair away from my face. And this just kind of gives your curls like a better look. Instead of wrapping it towards your face, you want to wrap the hair away from your face. And this is in any style that you do with twist outs or anything with curlers. You always want to twist or wrap your hair away from your face. Alright, so now that I'm finally done, this is the final look, and I'm just going to go back through with my Pump It Up and just give my hair another little spray over just to make sure everything is held and in place. And this Pump It Up really works because these curls will like literally last me for a whole week. And then I'm just going to take my fingers and lightly finger comb my curls just to kind of give them more of a wavy look. And I'm just going to kind of play with my hair and get it to my desired liking. Then I'm going to follow up with my wide tooth comb just to give my hair a little extra volume because if you know me, you know I'm all about the big hair. So I'm just going to go throughout my hair and just kind of tease my hair just a little bit at the roots just to give my hair a little bit more body. And this is the final look. I absolutely love this style. It's like beach wave, body wave curl. And it's really just like a voluminous, like temptress type of style. I absolutely love these curls. Like every time I go out, I get so many compliments on them. It just leaves my hair like flowy. There's so much body and bounce to it. Like it just gives me life. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Also comment down below what you think about these curls and if you're gonna give them a try. Until next time, beauties, deuces.